The Chronicles of Ushbebe Live. No holds barred. YADADI 22.
Not stressed. Baba Fana, how you doing, man? Check me. Anybody get work? The country affects everybody, man. Fuck you. Oh, Baba Fana, how na good evening, though. They say you clap. Is anybody send anybody again? I beg, I want to ask, you know, say when the president enter, he say he go share 80,000, give 12 million families. I beg, I don't get to now. My neighbor, they calculate, so say federal government, they all have 15,6. 3 months. Over right now, we be like those people who enter boat. You know, say when you want to enter boat, they'll say enter. As you enter, as you reach the middle, you can say how much? I'll say 17,000. You can say no, it's too big. I'll say hey, calm down. And you want to come down for the middle of the river, you talk now. Nigeria, sweet Madam, that boy was saying, before madam, he get accident for back there. Don't be smart, you know. He get one guy where he call sing. There be 2. About 70 people carry a camera, they video them. No work for Nigeria. See hard. Where provoke me now when the guy can say, shit, shout out to Ushbebe, man. We don't arrest him. 26 videographers that video that guy. And you know the funny thing, when they'll go tomorrow, they'll go post up for Instagram and say, shut down a goat. No, no, say that they shut down. Everybody they package for this, they go say, shit. Madam, that boy was saying that it's your first time to come and say your husband bring you. Your husband, right? Your husband? Madam, not true. Everything just excites you. You are so happy. Sorry, how long have you been married? How long have you been married? 2 months? So I never see anything. Let me talk to people that have been there over time. For me, I've been married for so long, 3 years. It has been a struggle. But that 2 months now, do you check his phone? You know they check him. They check him. What happened to me last week will happen to everybody. Must go round. You know say women are powerful. You know say if your wife wake you by 2 a.m. call you by your name. Call say, Peter, sit down, I need to talk to you. You know say as a married man, you don't die. You know they wake up, they wake, madam, the way they laugh is like I'm sharing your story. The woman they laugh, they told your husband, it's like it happened last week. You know as a man, if they wake you that 2 a.m., they can show you your phone. As they show you the phone, now your WhatsApp, they show you, they see. As a man, you're going to clear and say, what is it? Immediately you wake up now, coma, you don't die, Women powerful. No argue with women, This evening, my wife, they asked me now, I don't know where the question just come from. He said, honey, if they point gun in my head now and say, either we kill you or your husband, what will you do if it's me? I said, what do you make you go find person when you get gun trouble? You not go your day your own. Nigeria is sweet. And you know if you watch film with your wife as a married man, for the film, the man come they shit on the wife. What? This man bust laugh. The wife just a type before say, let him finish, I will answer you later. Film will not concern you. For the film, your wife will say, women get the way they'll take throw the question give you. Woman will say, now wow. Even with the fine wife and children that he has at home, he's still cheating on the wife. My brother, when they talk like that, not chook matter. Immediately you shook match, you don't die. Just quiet when the movie end. Because if you young me say, but he's not really shitting like that. Say, so you're supporting shitting, Abi? Wait till no you concern you for inside. I beg, I don't go. Thank you very much. My name is Young Chief.
This is DJ Vico.
The Chronicles of Ushbebe Live. No holds barred. YADADI 22.